Hey, it's Steve with Georgia Pine Home Inspections. For today's tip of the week, we are going to be talking about water heater and HVAC ages. So I know oftentimes when you're walking around the house with your client, they want to know, hey, how old's the water heater? How old's my air conditioning unit? You can tell them that pretty simply, okay? So I got two examples here. One, we're going to look at a water heater, and then we're going to turn around and we're going to look at a air handler. But first, let's come over here and look at the water heater. So remember, all ages are going to be inside serial numbers, okay? So not model numbers, it's always serial numbers. So this water heater happens to be a Bradford White, and we'll go to serial number. And Bradford White's a little bit different because they actually use letters. So here it's telling us that the first two letters in the serial number is a WF. Okay, so that might be really hard to determine what the age of that is. But there happens to be a website that has every air conditioning unit and every water heater listed. And the name of that website is called the Building Intelligence Center. So if we go over here and we go to the Bradford White, I typed in Bradford White in Google age, and then this shows up. So it tells us, hey, the first letter is the age of it, and the second letter is the month. So in my situation, the first letter was a W. So that meaning that ours is either going to be a 2000 or a 2020. So in this situation, you're going to have to use a little bit of common sense to try to figure out, the 20-year difference. So this one happens to be a 2020 water heater. And now we're going to flip this around. And now we're going to be looking at the air handler inside the house. So this is going to be the exact same when you're talking about the AC unit that's on the outside of the house too. So you just have to go to that data plate. It's going to look very similar to the data plate inside the house. Okay, so come on over here. We're going to look at this data plate. So we'll see model number. Remember, we're not worried about that. We're always focusing on serial number when we're talking about age. All right, so this one says the serial number is 6008F. All right, so we know this is a Lennox. So I went in Google here and I typed in Lennox HVACH, and we got the Building Intelligence Center. And it says that this style, you have the first two numbers is the plant. The second two is actually the age. Okay, and then the third letter is the month. So that means that we're going to come back over here. We're skipping that plant because we don't care what plant this was built at. And then the third and fourth is the age of this unit. So we know that this is a 2008 air handler, okay? Now, these Lennox and Bradford White are going to be a little bit more on the difficult side when you're trying to determine age. But I will say the majority of manufacturers, it's usually the first and second. The first and second digit, okay? And there are usually numbers too. So if it starts with 1, 2, then it was manufactured in 2012. So that's going to be almost all of the manufacturers. And if it's not the first and second, it's usually the third and fourth. So that is this tip of the week. Hopefully you can use that and better find the ages for your clients whenever you're walking through and doing those walkthroughs with your clients. All right, till next week.